then actually there's one other thing that's important that I should cover, which is how you would add a new page. So again, out of the box, we have this navigation bar that has blog, calendar, members, and Toastmasters International. So this, again, this is some boilerplate content about Toastmasters International that you might want to include on your site or might not. Because Toastmasters International has their own site. Maybe they can market themselves. But let's suppose that we want to have a new page. Let's say, and I'll add an image to this page, just so we cover how to do that. Now again, this image isn't showing up here, but I can type in the first few letters and I'll get image. And oh, here's a picture from my daughter's graduation on our special programs page. I didn't say it made sense, but let's see, publish this. Okay, so now we have a new page on our site. The other thing is it doesn't really show up anywhere. When you add a blog post, things are automatically added to the blog. So there's sort of a built-in organization to that. But pages really, unless you might send out the link to somebody, but usually you would organize pages on your menu. So if I go into this tab called Customize, there are a whole bunch of things that I can customize about the presentation of my site. One that is specific to the lecturing theme is Toastmasters branding, or we can pick one of these relatively standard banners to go at the top of the page. And there's a bunch of other things that here that you can explore on your own. But if I go into menus, see that currently this is the menu that exists, the primary menu. And if I want to add the special programs page, it's listed here. So that's going to go on the end. And we decided we don't need the Toastmasters International page. We want to make a bigger deal out of the members page, or out of the special programs page. And if I publish this, now that new menu is reflected on my site. So built in, we have the calendar page that lists our upcoming event. We have a membership page that would list people who are identified as filling a role here. The member listings are displayed for logged in members. If you're not logged into the site and you're not a member, you would only see information that the members had chosen to make public. Let's see. I think I got through most of what I wanted to get through. Can you put a second tier in the menus? Yes, you can. So let me show you that quickly. Back to customize, and that is useful for fitting more things in. So again, we're going to go to the primary menu, add items. There's this Toastmasters International page that I had in here before. And what we do is we indent it. Just being a little bit fussy. Oh, come on. There we go. So now under members, here's a link to Toastmasters International.